Hey, I'm with Elise right now. She is 14 years old and we just got back from a soccer game. And I just wanted her to share real quick some of the Shaklee stuff that she uses before and during the game that helps her, and something new that she tried today that was really helpful. So tell everybody real quick, like, what Shaklee products do you find helpful before or during your soccer match?
I like to take the energy chew with it after I eat an apple or something, and then I like to take the hydrate, performance hydrate,
Yeah.
with some ice during the game.
Yeah. Okay. And then what did you take at the beginning that you told me today for the first time?
Stress relief, and so that way I could like be more calm and not stressed over like the little things, and then that way I could focus more on like the first touch.
Yeah. And did you notice it helping you
Yeah,
today?
all my first touches were they were like on point.
Awesome. That's awesome. So anyway, just wanted to share that quick testimony of the Shaklee products that can make a difference even for our teenage athletes. So awesome. Thanks.